Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. It's the first day of the Bloem Show. Actually, no, I lie. It's the fourth day. The first, second, third day, I felt quite sick. Didn't really want to do any vlogging. But yeah, we're on the fourth day. First order of business for today was to actually book a guest house, because the first 4 nights actually we stayed at my dad's friend's place. Really lovely people, but the only issue was the parking. We had to leave the Bloem Show as soon as we close, go straight there, get parking first, and then after that you can't really do anything because your car is parked. So now I booked the guest house. We've got more basically freedom, and also on Friday I'm gonna go watch Thunderbolts, so I will need the car out late. So yeah, the booking a guest house on booking.com experience wasn't that great. Initially I booked a lovely 2-bed apartment, proper apartment with a kitchen and everything, for 3,000 Rand for 5 nights. As soon as I booked it, money was gone. I got a call from the lovely lady. She told me that there's been a misunderstanding from her end, or I don't know, from booking.com, because the apartment is already booked. So they approved a full refund, but I'll only get my cash like after 7 days. Not an issue for me, but like for you guys, if you ever wanna book something like that and you budget for the place, then make sure you message the manager owner beforehand. But I immediately booked another place. I'll show you guys that place tonight. Already went in. I already checked in because check-in was early, 3 to 7, and I only closed the show at 8. So I went in early and I grabbed lunch on the way. So for lunch, we basically got the famous muchachos. I'll let Mohsin take the camera from here. So basically, you're not gonna see this on the normal menu. You have to ask the cashier specifically for the strip burger. As you can see, I already digged in. I was hungry. But yeah, muchachos, the fries, you can't beat them. The crispy fries. You get 2 types of fries, obviously. Your slab chips and then your crispy ones. Slab echoes be the best, but muchachos, the crispy ones are the best. Their seasoning is just next level. And the strips. So the strip burger, the one at home, they give you quite a lot of strips. Here they only gave me 5 strips, and they're actually quite small, but it's fine. So normally at home, I would normally eat like 3 strips without the burger. So it's basically like 2 meals, a strip meal and a burger meal. But yeah, let me finish this, and then later on, I'll show you guys the other guest house that I booked.
Take the next left onto Parkford Avenue.
Relax. So welcome back. Good day at the Bloem Show today, the 4th day. Alhamdulillah. We just left our host's, my dad's friend's house.
Continue on Parkford Avenue for 800 meters.
Yes, put the volume. Okay. So we just left that place, making our way to the guest house now. Then I'll show you guys what the guest house looks like. For this, like I said earlier on, we initially booked another guest house, paid and everything on booking.com, and then the lady called me. She said she didn't know why it was still available on booking.com, as it was already taken. So they got that cancelled. I'll get my payment back in 7 to 12 days, and then now I booked the other guest house.
In 400 meters, turn right onto President Paul Kruger Avenue.
The other guest house is a bit closer to the Bloem Show grounds. For that guest house, I paid, I think, 2,785 for 5 nights. The only issue here is now you get your room, but then the bathrooms are shared. So hopefully there's no.
President Paul Kruger Avenue.
So hopefully there's nobody else at that guest house. I mean, there's gonna be somebody, but like hopefully it's not that busy. But yeah, let's get to it now. It's 5 minutes away, and then I'll give you guys a room tour. Yeah, you must be wondering where I got this ice cream from. So basically, we got to the guest house and realized we needed water. There's no water there. So basically then we went to the garage, got a bottle of water, a 5-liter bottle of water, got a couple of cups for the bathroom, if you know what I mean. Because we're not those guys, you know, where they use the hotel, those glasses. Let me pause this sad song. So yeah, now we're going back to the hotel, and then to the guest room, not the hotel. Then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay. So we basically have arrived. I'm looking at the maps down here. There's a phone over here. Let's pull in. I'll show you guys. I'm not good at roads, I always need maps. So I'll take the phone from Mohsin now. He's gonna go in, punch in the code. Let's pass this for me. So you must be wondering, why can't I just pull in and punch in the code over there? But as you can see, it's hella close. Okay, for me it doesn't look so close, but it's hella close to the gate. So my bonnet will basically have to go into the gate, past the gate, for me to actually punch in the code from the driver's side window. And there we go, Mr. Mohsin has successfully opened the gate. This is basically, let me zoom out. Yeah, just gonna park. It's difficult driving with the cone in one hand and phone in the other hand and steering. But we will manage for the content. Almost done with my cone. Let's put off the lights. Put this in park. Handbrakes up. Gate over there closing. Switch off. Perfecto. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I can open the other door. Zo. Oh, welcome back. He's panicking. It's quiet hour right now, from 7 to the next morning. Backwards, yeah. Perfecto. Let me put the phone at the correct elevation again. Yeah. Let's go. Here's your shared bathroom. That's basically it. And here's our room. Let me just put this here. You can fetch your stuff. He forgot his ice cream in the car. And yeah, this is basically the room. Why can't I zoom out more? But yeah, 2 single beds. You get your water bottle, heated water bottle, an extra, I don't know, blanket. They'll give you fresh towels daily, and a study desk. And yeah, very simple, gets the job done. The best part is it's like 11 o'clock now, and we just went out, bought water, did what we had to do. Now if you're at the other place, the car is parked by 8 o'clock. We can't do anything after 8. And that's basically it. That's the room tour. We've got plenty of cupboards, but no hanger. So it's of no use to us, because as you guys know, we try to fit everything in the SUV, the stand, the stock and everything. So we had to pack light. When I say light, I mean by compromise on the bags itself. The clothes are all there, but the bags are basically, voila, macro shopping bags. It's laughing. That's how you get things done, my bro. Got a fan, but it's very cold here. Won't be using that. Yeah, and I was talking about this. Our Muslim brethren normally use these glasses in the bathroom. So I know to stay away from them, but also I won't use them for the bathroom because it's not nice. If you got other people, other guests using these to drink water, probably other Muslims as well using this to drink water, and they unaware that what these things are used for actually. But yeah, that's basically the vlog for today. I'll catch you guys next time. I don't know what I'm gonna vlog on. I'll probably vlog on the actual content of the Bloem Show. There's a lot of things to do there. I'll vlog that, and then at the end I'll actually give you guys a breakdown of the profit or loss that I end up making. So cheers and have a good one.